at lava. Boom, boom, boom. Look at lava. Boom, boom, boom. Wait, Elijah, don't not drink it. It is our experiment. Scientists don't. Ay, 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 ay. Elijah, scientists don't drink our experiment. No. Guys, we are here out in the woods. Today, we're going to make our coke lava lamp. Elijah, what we say we're going to make? Our coke lava lamp. Yes, guys. Today, I want to show you another video that we can do at our house. Elijah, you're going to help me today, quickly. So, first, I got a container. Elijah, help me pour the water. Come on, Elijah. Pour. Yeah. Yes, Elijah. Empty, Elijah. Empty it. Yes, Elijah. Finish the water. Because we're not thirsty anymore. Oh, yes. Let me put this aside. Next, guys, I don't have any food coloring, so I'm just going to touch it up with a little Coke. Yes, just to give my thing a little color. Yes, like anybody else. Shake it up and come on. Want to throw a little? Give that a little coloring. Alright. So who needs food coloring? Well, we can use our Pepsi. This is Pepsi? No, this is not Pepsi. This is just a Coke. Anyways, next, we're gonna need some oil. Wait, Elijah, don't not drink it. It is our experiment. Scientists don't. Ay. Elijah, scientists don't drink our experiment. Now we're gonna top it. Elijah, top it. Let me finish what I'm doing. Alright, quickly. If you look, guys, look at the beautiful sky. It's getting a bit dark. Can you see? Yes. So we're going to make our lava lamp. So I'm just going to add the oil. Elijah, tell me when to stop. It looks so pretty, so beautiful. Elijah, don't tell me. Tell me now. Look at it. Look at Elijah. Let me put this aside. This is so beautiful. Look at it. It is pretty. You want to touch it? Touch it. That's a container. Yes. This is not inside. We're just touching the container. This is pretty. Can I tell you, Elijah? I am feeling happy. Oh, now the oil is blocking me. And guess what? Guys, it's all about improvising. I don't have any of my aspirin pills. So what I'm going to use, I'm just going to improvise. Oh, I got it open. So, because I'm going to improvise, guys, don't mind me. Now, I'm going to mix my baking soda with my acid. Yeah. Good. And then I'm going to shake it up. Shake up my baking soda and my acid in it. I just want to get that lava to be flowing nice. So let's see what would happen. It's because I don't have the pill. I'm going to use this right here to pour in my mixture together and see what is happening, guys. Can you see? Guys, can you see what is happening? Look at how pretty it is. Yes, my lava. Hey, my lava. Look at it, Elijah, look at it. Look how pretty it is. Nice. Hey, I don't even want this anymore. Throw it away. Pack up. Yes, Elijah, I don't even want the Coke anymore. Let's throw it away. Ready? Look at it. Look at my lava. That is called volcano lava. Nice. Look at it. It's not stopping. Look at the eruption. Wow. Nice. Very beautiful. No, you see, oh, look at the lava. It's not stopping. Elijah, you see it's not stopping. Elijah, come, let me add some more coke and see what happens. Look at Elijah. The bubble, it's not stopping. Come, Elijah, add more. Wow. Can I tell? Look at it. Look at the lava. That's what we call coke lava. Yes, coke lava lamp. Nice. This is the coke lava lamp. And this won't stop until the reaction completes. Who need aspirin where we can have our coke lava lamp? Elijah, look at lava. Boom, boom, boom. 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 Lava. Boom, boom, boom. Lava lamp. Boom, boom. Lava. Boom, boom, boom. Look at lava. Boom, 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 boom. Look at lava. Boom, 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 boom. Look at lava. Boom, 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 boom. Lava, 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 lava. Boom, 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 boom. Look at lava. Boom, 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 boom. Look at lava. Boom, 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 boom. Lava. Hey, Elijah, we don't need aspirin. We have our coke lava lamp. Elijah, what we have our coke lava lamp. What we have, Elijah, our coke lava lamp. This is almost 20 minutes and it's still having that reaction, that lava reaction. I'm telling you, the coke lava, this is the best lamp you can ever get. You just need a bit of coke with our water and our oil to give us our coke lava lamp. Like Elijah, share Elijah, subscribe Elijah. Yay! See you later, boy. Boom, boom. Look at lava. Boom, boom, boom. Lava. Boom, boom, boom. Lava lamp. Boom, boom.